How to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the chat section over here, and here you can see the option of new plus over here at the top. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, you can see the option of new shortcut. So this emoji shortcuts can quickly select friends and groups, and these shortcuts are private to just you. So tap on new shortcut and select all the people that you want to quickly connect to. Then tap on create shortcut, and then you can choose a single emoji character for this shortcut. So just tap on OK and tap on choose emoji at the top of the screen and then select any of the emoji over here. I've selected this one and then tap on create shortcut. And there you go. So here you can see the shortcuts over here at the top. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.